Oh. Hello, it's the doctor recording. I found this phone in the middle of, well, the crescent of an oxbow lake. Yes. See, oxbow lake, it happens when the rivers, they collide, when they erode land away, and they find the easiest path, which is now this. And then it leaves the crescent. As you could see, I am on the frontier of a newly forming oxbow lake. This right here is the Lusua River. And over there, Lusua River. But, where does this go? It's a crescent. Soon, this will keep eroding and eroding this land here away. And that happens. Right here is the lowest part. And that happens. This also over here will keep eroding away. It will soon get closer and closer. When they finally connect, the river will choose the easiest path, which is this, and leave this entire area free of water, creating an oxbow lake. May happen with my sonic screwdriver. It says that it may happen within the next 5 to 10 years. Now, as I'm saying this, it is currently, what day is it? 3/2/2025. I will leave this phone back to its rightful owner. And, well, this is a little science lesson.